the ages of Harry and Harry are in the ratio. They have given the ratio 5:7. 4 years from now. From now means ahead. After 4 years. Here 4 years from now means after 4 years. The ratio of their ages will be 3:4. Okay. Find their present ages. So we will write solution. What they have given the ratio. Okay, so RA ratio. So first of all, what is given, we will write that only from the question. First they have given Hari, so 5 represents Hari. So if I take a constant variable x, then let the age of Hari be 5x, because ratio is given. In ratio, always remember the first whatever they are taking. Suppose they are taking Harry and ratio is here 5, so 5 will represent Harry. And to remove the ratio, we always take one variable, let it be x. You can take any variable, है ना? So let the age of Harry be 5x, and same way the age of Harry be 7x. And this is which age? This is present age. This is present age we are talking about. Okay, present age of Hari and Harry. Now they are telling 4 years from now. So after 4 years, after 4 years, what will happen? Hari's age will be, what will be? Present age में 4 हम प्लस करेंगे, will be 5x plus 4 years. Okay, and Harry's age will be, what it will be? 7x plus 4 years. Okay, this is the condition. Now according to the question, what they are telling, so I am writing here. According to question, they are telling कि the ratio of their ages will be, you have to concentrate here, will be 3:4. Okay, that means upside we will write here Harry's age. So what will be Harry's age? 5. This is Harry's age upon Harry's age. So what it will be? 7x plus 4 is equals to 3 upon 4. Ratio, we will convert the ratio into fraction. This we got it from the question. Okay. Now again, you know how to solve the linear equation. So we will cross multiply. So cross multiply. So it will become 4 5x plus 4 is equals to 3 bracket 7x plus 4, and we will multiply. So what it will become? 4 5s are 20 plus 4 4s are 16 is equals to 3 7s are 21x plus 3 4s are 12, bringing the like terms together. So what will happen? I'll transpose. So 20x minus 21x is equals to 12, and this will go, so minus 16, so it will be minus 4, and here it will be minus x, and now minus and minus will be cancelled. So x is equals to 4. Thus Hari's present age is equals to 5x is equals to 5 into 4 is equals to 20 years. And similarly we will write Harry's present age is equals to what it is, 7x is equals to 7 into 4 is equals to 28 years. Clear?